I'm Monty McKinnon. Thank you for joining me. I'm glad you're here. Now, today is the day that I announced the launch of my new book. And there it is. It's a beautiful cover. It's a high gloss cover on the book. The spine is done exceptionally well. The paper inside is good quality. It's white stock and black ink, and it's a Times New Roman font in there, and it's a good size. There are 80 chapters in here to celebrate my 80th birthday this week. And this book is written by you and for you. I've had a lot of response from what I've written on the channel in the past. And a number of you have written me from hospital beds. You've written me from a wheelchair. You've written me from your time traveling. You actually are out on vacation and you were writing me and watching my videos, which was such an honor. You've been so kind and so encouraging to me. So I've been writing to you about different things of inspiration, different things of encouragement, because I know how busy we are. I know it's tough going to work every day, and especially if you don't even like your job. You go in on the train, people would tell me, and they come back on the subway, and if that's your plight, you're watching my videos on your handheld, your iPhone or your Android, whatever, and that's such a privilege for me to be there. Now, having said that, the idea of this is that you can read something on the way to work in the morning if you're on a train, not in the car. Okay, you don't do the car. By the way, I am looking into the idea of an Audible edition of this, but at this point, it's available in two formats. The softcover book, and also the e-Kindle book, or the e-book, the Kindle edition. You can get it in either copy. Now, this is particularly interesting because I've had so many people comment about this and that I should be writing a book. So that's where this came from. It was for you. Now, this is available on Amazon.ca, which is Canada, Amazon.com, which is, I guess, the world, and it's certainly the United States, and a whole bunch of other Amazons. I think it's available on Amazon.uk. You'd have to check that out or go to Amazon.com. I'm not 100% sure of that. But the cost in the United States for this book is $13.95. The cost in Canada comes out at $18 when you factor the exchange. And the Kindle book, the e-book, is $4.99 in the United States and US dollars, and it is $6.50 or thereabouts in Canadian currency. So you can get it right now on Amazon, and they will ship it out to you. And that is the story for today. That is just so much fun. I'm excited. There's 192 pages in here. This is a work in progress. It's great. I like this. I'm proud of this. There you go. All right, now, just to bring you a way of an update, the guitar body is put together, the top's on, it's glued, it's all good, it's tight. I've started smoothing the sides. I'll put the binding around shortly, and I'll show you that in a subsequent video. So that's it for me today. I want to thank you for the privilege of allowing me to come into your busy world. I hope you get some encouragement. I really do hope you get some encouragement, because I know how difficult it is. And you know what? Today, things are very stressful. And so a little encouragement for the journey is a good thing. Also, a good thing for this journey is a good cup of tea. Oh man, that just makes my heart sing. Oh, it's so good. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.